Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Wuthrich Hill area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Taylor's Wuthrich Hill area, you have been in an accident. Having an accident or collision is a very stressful experience, but one can easily get the damaged car back in a good condition if you find a good auto repair shop to fix the damage in your vehicle. Look for someone who can offer you a complete range of services from brake repair to servicing, clutch repair. Get everything at a one-stop shop. Watch this auto body shop video in Wuthrich Hill. It is a well-known fact that you should not attempt to drive your damaged car on the road because it can alter your safety and welfare. It is absolutely necessary to take care of your car if it needs repairs, because if you do this, you assure yourself that you will reach your destination safely and in one piece. Auto body shops will perform maintenance operations on your car. Finding a good auto body shop is not that hard. You can even find a great one in your area. However, if you do not trust their services, you are not forced to stick with them. Great auto body shops can be found on the internet, and you can take advantage of that by choosing their professional service if you want to repair your car. Auto body repair estimates in Taylor's Wuthrich Hill. The technicians survey the depth of damage occurred to your car and prepare an estimate of costs and required accessories. By making a 4 or 5 point inspection, the data is fed to the computer systems and a list is prepared with the estimate. Auto body repair insurance. Auto repair shops, like you, are eager to take advantage of insurance opportunities by carefully considering extras or incidentals that may arise during the inspection. It would be better to shoot for a higher cost to avoid paying more in the future. Auto body repair equipment. No matter what kind of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can provide you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While a car garage can always help you with exterior issues, they also have the expertise to deal with collision repair tasks. Auto body repair mechanics. No one plans to get into a car accident. It should be a priority to get the car repaired by an expert and trustworthy car mechanic. Make sure that the mechanics who offer accident repairs and car services can get your vehicle back on the road safely. Auto body repair near me. The place to start is at the most reliable auto body repair shop near you. Auto body shops or collision repair shops are words almost synonymous to automobile damages, because it's the first place you go to after wrecking or damaging your automobile in an accident. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.